Good morning! Get another beautiful day it is. I'm in the town of San Gimignano with an amazing view. A beautiful day. And if you can hear, crickets and insects are singing, the birds are tweeting. So let's go and explore this little town. Now this little town is famous in Italy for being sometimes called the idyllic Italian Tuscany town, and it really has an amazing location. Built on a hill, it was a medieval walled fortress town with some very well preserved towers in the middle. Now the towers were merchant towers, and the height of the towers was a sign of your wealth. At one point there were 72 of these tall towers built in the city. Now, or city, village, town. It's now 14 have been preserved, which is I think the highest number of any place in Italy. A lot of the other places, wars and urban renewal, have actually got rid of a lot of the towers, but the skyline of San Gimignano is now famous for these fantastic tall towers that dominate the centre of the village. It's a wonderful place to walk around. It's not very big. It's very user-friendly. It is quite touristy. And if you go in the height of summer, there's lots of activities. There's orchestras, choirs, dancing. But there's still a nice atmosphere there. So take a wander through the streets, absorb the atmosphere, sit on one of the many piazzas and enjoy the views of the towers. Imagine the history that has gone through here. It was almost like an independent town, a bit like Siena at one point, but when the Black Death swept Europe, pretty much half of the population of the village died, and it came under the rule of Florence, like most of Tuscany did. And you can see influences in the architecture from the Romanesque era right through to the Florentine times. But after that, and after the Black Death, it didn't really grow that much. Sort of faded out of history, the towers crumbled, and has now got its renaissance, its second renaissance, as an excellent tourist place to visit. And it is nice to visit, although, as I said, it can get a bit crowded and is a little bit expensive. But go, enjoy, absorb. Got to the evening, we've had a great walk around the town, seen some music, seen the sights. Now it's time to sit here and have some proper food. Ordered beef and chianti. was a delicious meal. I am so full now, but it was really nice. One of the nicest meals I have had. So, but now, there's some events on this evening, so I'm looking forward to them. I'm going to go home, charge my batteries, come back after dark.